Let's start with Sana. And when we start namaz, actually, can you tell how many namaz in one day are obligatory upon us?
5.
Can you name them?
Fajr,
Hmm.
Zohar,
Hmm.
Asr,
Yes.
Hasr,
Asr, yes.
how I say it?
Yes.
Maghrib,
Shabash.
Isha.
Risha, yes. Risha. When we start namaz, we say Allahu Akbar. What?
Allahu Akbar.
Yes. This is Allahu Akbar. And Allahu Akbar means Allah is the greatest of all. And this kalima, Allahu Akbar, is named takbir. What?
Takbir.
So first of all, we start namaz by saying takbir. And after saying Allahu Akbar, we put our both hands, being a girl, on your chest. Okay?
Okay.
You put your hands, you keep them on your chest. Left hand on the chest directly on and the right hand will be over the left hand. Okay, then you will read Sana. That's it.
Hello.
Sana is the name of that kalima, okay? We do not mention the name during namaz. We say Allahu Akbar,
Allahu Akbar.
Subhana
Subhana.
Allahumma,
Allahumma.
Subhana
Subhana.
Allahumma,
Allahumma.
Subhanaka Allahumma,
Subhanallahumma.
Subhanaka Allahumma,
Subhanakallahumma.
Subhanaka Allahumma.
Subhanallahumma.
No. Subhanaka Allahumma.
Subhanallahumma.
Subhanaka Allah, kallah, kallah. Subhanaka Allahumma.
Subhanakallahumma.
Subhanaka Allahumma.
Subhanakallahumma.
Wa bihamdika.
Wahindika.
Wa bihamdika.
Wadi. Hamdika.
Wa
Wabi.
bihamdi.
Hamdi.
Ka. Ka.
Ka.
Ka.
Ka.
Wa bihamdika.
Wabihamdika.
Wa bihamdika.
Wabihamdika.
Subhanaka Allahumma.
Subhanakallahumma.